Hey, and welcome back to another recipe, this time from Bali, where pork ribs are big on the menu. Many warungs and restaurants serve this dish, each with a slightly different sauce, but all cooked in the same manner. This recipe was given to me by a chef at one of the Balinese warungs when I was visiting, and has become a staple both for cooking ribs and for a simple tangy barbecue sauce. So I'll shut up and we'll get on with it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy in the section below so you can copy. Our first job is to clean the pork ribs, getting rid of any scum and scuzzy bits. So pop the ribs into a pot, cover with water and bring to a gentle boil for 5, maybe 7 minutes. When that's complete, take them out and then discard the water that now contains the scum. Clean the pot out and we're ready to rock and roll. Now let's get braising those ribs. Pop them back into the pot and add all of the aromatics and seasoning for the ribs into that pot. This includes pineapple, which contains an enzyme that softens muscle fibres, so it's a natural tenderizer. And look what I found locally, isn't it cute? A tiny carved pineapple, which I'll use, but of course you can use sliced pineapple, that's fine. Now cover with water again and bring to a gentle boil for 1 hour 10 minutes. While the pork is braising, we can get on with the sauce. This is a simple one. Pop all of the sauce ingredients into a bowl and mix thoroughly. Pop to one side when it's finished, and of course you can make this sauce well in advance and chill it until needed. Well, after that 1 hour 10 minutes, the ribs should be lovely and tender. So gently remove from the stock and completely coat with the sauce, and you're done. Often in Bali, people will just take the cooked ribs and add the tangy sauce themselves. Cheers, my dears. So there we have it, irresistibly tender pork, coated in a Balinese zingy, sweet, sour and savoury sauce. Do give this recipe a like if you've enjoyed it, and maybe subscribe to experience the other recipes I've developed from my travels and for the food documentary series I produce. So until next time, terima kasih.